Cutting across to Delhi, heavy rains lashed the city. Large parts of the city there inundated. A bus, a car, an auto submerged in water at Zakira underpass. In the national capital, drivers and passengers were rescued in time, preventing a tragedy from taking place. In fact, the rains resulted in waterlogging at several places in Delhi NCR, which led to huge traffic jams. Waterlogging was reported from Prahaladpur, Feroz Shah Kotla Road, Azadpur, Raja Garden and Mayapuri. The Indian Meteorological Department there has predicted that light to moderate showers, intensity rains will take place. It could also worsen. Thunder showers could also be predicted. Will continue in Delhi for another day possibly. In fact, this will continue in the suburbs of Noida, Greater Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad. Torrential rains in the national capital there has brought much needed relief to the people from humid weather, but nonetheless those maneuvering through flooded roads there had quite a nightmare. In July this year, Delhi received over 12% above normal rainfall.
Dark sky, rain spills and thunder showers. This is how the national capital woke up this morning. And there have been moderate to thunder showers and somewhere even the heavy rain spills since early morning today across Delhi and NCR. Here in the Lutyens zone, still it's a moderate rain shower, but the Met Department, the Weather Department has issued a forecast of orange alert across Delhi and NCR. In fact, the Met Department has also predicted there is possibility of waterlogging in low-lying areas. Since 2 a.m. early morning, there have been non-stop rain across Delhi, which has rather, in fact, given some relief from the humidity, huge, excessive humidity that Delhi and NCR, the people have been suffering for many days. This morning, it has brought some relief, but at the same time, the orange alert has also been issued. Looking at the heavy rain, it's pouring non-stop in many areas. However, in central Delhi and few parts, there is a moderate thunder showers. But since the prediction is particularly of the waterlogging in low-lying areas, in the meanwhile, the Delhi Police Control Room has received an alert call of waterlogging in 6 areas. So clearly, this morning has brought some relief for Delhi, but at the same time, it could also spoil your morning, could create a traffic jam. So be careful when you are stepping out before going to your office. But for now, in Lutyens, Delhi with Sanjay Kumar, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.